Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your CapCut video in full screen. So for that, you will need to launch your CapCut and then add a project. In my case, I'm already working on this project. Now, in order to make this video full screen, you don't have to select the video itself. If you select this video, the option will be hidden. So deselect the video, then you will see ratio button or aspect ratio. Tap onto it, this being your original size. If you tap on TikTok, which is 9 by 16, it will resize to a TikTok version of resolution. Likewise, you can go ahead and do the same for your YouTube as well. This is how it will look like. It might not be ideal because this video was taken from phone. And likewise, from camera, YouTube, or any ratio that you would like if you swipe into your left. In my case, I would like to make it for TikTok. You can also zoom in or zoom out and crop any unnecessary details in the video which you don't like to show. Once you're satisfied, tap on the check icon. And just like so, this is how it will look like. If you're satisfied, tap on to export, and this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.